Biggun, and they say I've never been kissed. My sex I took one hell of a knock on the day I broke my wrist. I much prefer ham shandy to the company of lasses. Everybody says that I'll go blind, but I'll do it till I need glasses. Oh, whoa, my name is Ivor Biggun, and I sing about tits and bums. His name is Biggun, and he sings of tits and bums. Whoa, 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 you know my name, you better get your gums around my plums. Boogie chillin'. Whoa, my name is Ivor Biggun, I'm disgusting and obscene. I blow me nose without a hanky, and my fingernails aren't clean. I'm public enema number one, I have effluence and style. My je ne sais quoi is obvious, it sticks out a mile. Oh, well, my name is Ivor Biggun, and I'm dark and dirty as the dungeon. His name is Biggun, and he's dirty as a dungeon. Oh, well, now you know my name, you better make a luncheon of my truncheon. Middle bit, here we go. Well, you don't have to be a space invader to suffer from asteroids. Don't need to show Mrs. Thatcher my willy for her to look down on the unemployed. And you don't have to be a sergeant to stand your privates out in front. And you don't have to be a gynecologist to recognise a country squire at the hunt. Well, my name is Ivor Biggun, but some dispute that fact, and they suggest I contravene the Trade Descriptions Act. But my girl said she'd marry me if I had a 12-inch dong. I said I'll cut it down to any size, love, if you think that it's too long. Whoa, whoa, my name is Ivor Biggun, and I've got my mojo working well. He sings the wanker's song and stuff like Eskimo Nell. Whoa, 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 now you know my name, I'd better press your button and ring your bell. Here we go, the exciting bit in the middle. You don't have to spurt your armpits to say aerosols to you. You don't have to be a carpenter to bang and hammer and screw. Don't piss the wrong way in a hurricane if you don't know how to duck. And you shouldn't work in a massage parlour if you can't give a toss or a fuck. Sorry, Mrs. Whitehouse. Ivor Biggun, Ivor Biggun, Ivor Biggun. Ivor Biggun, Ivor Biggun, Ivor Biggun. Ivor Biggun, Ivor Biggun, Ivor Biggun. Woo! Oh, I think I've ruptured myself. I'm Britain's champion wanker, renowned throughout the land. Everybody knows my name, but nobody wants to shake my hand. Whoa, whoa, my name is Ivor Biggun, and I sing about tits and bum. His name is Biggun, and he takes it as it comes. Whoa, 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 now you know my name, you better get your gums around my plums.